Alright, it kind of occurred to me that I never really made a video on this. Or if I did, I don't remember. But anyway, this is a Lasko Decor colors. Decor colors, I guess you'd call it. 20-inch box fan. I got this, I think last year, the year before, from a friend of mine. He gave it to me. Yeah, pretty neat fan. These are ridiculously expensive if you look them up online. It's basically just a black version of the Lasko 3733, which we will go over in a minute. But first, let's check out the box. It's a Lasko Decor Colors 20-inch box fan. More air power equals more comfort. 3 quiet speeds, top mounted controls, easy carry handle. Made in the USA with domestic and imported parts. Wah, 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 wah. Model B20401 in black. It's not a bad fan though for what it is. It's not quiet, I'll give it that though. Warranty information can be found on the enclosed operations manual. Interesting. ETL approved. There actually is a manual in here. That box has an interesting smell. Now this is what Lasko gives you now. They used to give you like that sticker thing that they would stick on the front of the fan. They don't do that no more, I guess. And this side's just Spanish. But that's about all that's on the box. The blue plug. And like I said, the reason I got the fan was because it was kind of a gift, actually. So, like, you know, I'll take a free fan. And really, the fan ain't that bad for what it is. I mean, it's got a few tiny problems that, you know, I could overlook, honestly, but some people may not. First big problem is down here. On the frame, they didn't seem to paint the bottom very well. So it's got rust coming through. The sides, on the other hand, look alright, but the bottom, like, it's like when they sprayed it, they started over here and then it around and gave up right there. But as for the rest of the paint, it's not bad. It's a bit dusty, like, because it's been sitting in the box. But other than that, the fan's outside paint job's fine. And it's got the black handle and the black knob, which is kind of neat. It has the black blades. Lasko in the middle there. This is very, very reminiscent to the cool colors that I had. Only difference is it has a different front grille. Otherwise, it's practically the same fan. This one has the little permanent split capacitor motor. This one has the pole kind of motor with a big capacitor in it. So, oddly enough, the ones with the big capacitor seem to have more power to them than the ones with the smaller ones. It's really weird. And then, like I said, the paint job quality obviously is showing because it's starting to rust here too. This one didn't rust out, but this one did. Motor braces here. I do have the feet for it, as you can see. But yeah, there's the back of it. The back looks like a cool colors fan, honestly. Only difference is the Cool Colors fans had silver feet and silver handles. This has black. But I digress. It's really not a bad fan for what it is, though. So we'll start it off on high. And no, it's not very quiet. But it does move a decent breeze. Actually moves pretty good air for a modern fan. Yeah. Go to medium. Airflow is actually pretty good on the fan. Not gonna lie. It's acceptable. It's not as focused as the Cool Colors fan because it doesn't have that ring around the grill. But it's definitely throwing out some pretty good air. Medium ain't too bad on noise. Sounds about like a normal Lasko on high. And low. Low is actually pretty good on this fan. Very good white noise fan. Yeah, I wish that would quit doing that. It's hard to focus on a black box fan, and I don't know why. Low moves a nice breeze. It's pretty consistent. Just about like any other Lasko fan. I will definitely say Lasko has definitely tried to improve themselves here in the past 5 years or so. So honestly, I'm overall kind of impressed by the fan, considering some of the older ones of this style were not nearly as powerful as this thing. Anyway, back to high. Stupid thing don't want to freaking stay focused. Well, this is the airflow test, I guess. See, it moves a pretty decent, consistent breeze. It's really not that bad for a modern box fan. And off. Now, is it as good as a vintage fan? I would not go that far. But it's really not a bad fan. Now, considering I got this one as a gift, would I consider buying one? Really, if you can find it at a decent price, I would. But these go for a lot of money, more than I think it's worth. Because it's basically just a black version of the Lasko 3733. Which is fine, but they don't have to overcharge on it. But other than that, it's not a bad fan. I mean, if you want to get one, go for it. I mean, they're not bad fans. They're just overly priced. Kind of like those Air King fans. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of those for a while. It just don't seem to justify the price. That's the thing. But yeah, there you go. Lasko Decor Colors 20-inch box fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.